Winter weather advisory remains in effect from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thursday. The National Weather Service in Burlington continues the winter weather advisory from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thursday. Locations: the entire North Country. Hazard types: snow and mixed precipitation. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 3 to 6 inches. Slightly higher amounts possible along the eastern slopes of the Green Mountains and eastern slopes of the Adirondacks. Additionally, up to 1/10 of an inch of ice is expected across St. Lawrence County, New York, and the valleys of south-central Vermont. Timing: snow develops across south-central Vermont and the northern Adirondacks during the pre-dawn hours Thursday, then spreads north into northern New York and the rest of Vermont by mid-morning Thursday. The heaviest snow will fall between 8 a.m. and noon on Thursday, with 1 inch per hour snowfall rates possible. Precipitation transitions to a period of light mixed wintry precipitation Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. Impacts: developing moderate snow with periods of briefly heavy snow will result in hazardous driving conditions during the Thursday morning commute. Winds east 5 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Locally higher gusts to 40 miles per hour possible along the immediate western slopes of the Green Mountains during Thursday morning. Temperatures in the mid-20s to start Thursday morning, warming to around 30 degrees Thursday afternoon. Visibilities below 1/2 mile at times. A winter weather advisory means that periods of snow, sleet, or freezing rain will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. Please stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, your local media, or go to www.weather.gov/Burlington for further updates on this weather situation.